Hello students, in this session you will be learning the methods of constructing consumer price index number. There are two methods of constructing consumer price index number. They are aggregative expenditure method and family budget method. Aggregative expenditure method. The formula is CPI or CLI is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Here P1 is prices of commodities for the current year, P0 is prices of commodities for the base year, and Q0 is quantities consumed in the base year. In this method, the base year quantities are taken as weights. This method is similar to last year's price index number. Family budget method. It is given by the formula CPI or CLI is equal to summation WP divided by summation W, where W is the weights being the values of the items consumed in the base year. Therefore, W is equal to P0 into Q0, and capital P is the price relative, which is computed by the formula P1 divided by P0 into 100, where P1 is current year price and P0 is base year price. When group index I is given along with the weights W, consumer price index number can be computed using the formula CPI or CLI is equal to summation WI divided by summation W. Now let us solve the problems of constructing consumer price index number. Problem number 1. Given summation P1 Q0 is equal to 350 and summation P0 Q0 is equal to 325. Construct consumer price index number by aggregative expenditure method. The formula to compute consumer price index number by aggregative expenditure method is CPI is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Now let us substitute the given values, that is summation P1 Q0 is equal to 350 and summation P0 Q0 is equal to 325 in the formula. We get CPI is equal to 350 divided by 325 into 100, and therefore the consumer price index number is 107.6923. Next question. Calculate consumer price index number by aggregative expenditure method. So in the question we have 6 commodities. Base year 2000 quantity, base year 2000 price, and current year 2005 prices are mentioned. Now let us work out the solution for this problem. We denote base year quantity by Q0, base year price by P0, and current year price by P1. The formula for consumer price index number by aggregative expenditure method is CPI is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So first let us compute P0 Q0 for each of the commodities. So for commodity A, we have base year price as 8 and base year quantity as 100. So 8 into 100 give us the answer of P0 Q0 as 800. Likewise, we calculate P0 Q0 for the remaining commodities. And then when we add P0 Q0 values, we get the total of summation P0 Q0 as 2605. Now let us calculate P1 Q0. For commodity A, current year price we have 12 base year quantity 100. So when we multiply 12 and 100, that will give us the answer of P1 Q0 for commodity A as 1200. Similarly, we compute P1 Q0 for commodity B, C, D, E and F. Then, by adding the values of P1 Q0 column, we obtain the total of P1 Q0 as 3675. Next, substituting the totals in the formula, CPI is equal to 3675 divided by 2605 into 100, and we get the answer as 141.0749. Next question. Compute cost of living index number by aggregative expenditure method. So we have 6 commodities that are mentioned. Prices for current year are mentioned. Base year price and expenditure are mentioned. Solution. We denote the current year price as P1, base year price by P0, base year expenditure by P0 Q0. The formula to compute cost of living index number by aggregative expenditure method is CLI is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. In the denominator, we need to substitute the total of base year expenditure. Here, the base year expenditure P0 Q0 is given. Therefore, if we just add the values of base year expenditure column, we get summation P0 Q0 as 527. Next, in the numerator, we have summation P1 Q0. So to get the value of summation P1 Q0, first we need to compute Q0 values for each of the commodities. So Q0, that is base year quantities, will be obtained by dividing expenditure by price. That is Q0 is equal to P0 Q0 divided by P0. Hence, for the first commodity, rice, Q0 will be 240 divided by 12, and we get the answer as 20. Similarly, we compute base year quantity for each of the remaining commodities. Now, since we know Q0 values, we can compute P1 Q0 for each of the commodities. We shall compute P1 Q0. So for the first commodity, we have current year price 17, base year quantity is 20, and 17 into 20 give us the answer of P1 Q0 as 340. Likewise, we compute P1 Q0 for other commodities. Then, when we add the values of P1 Q0, we get summation P1 Q0 as 979. Substituting the totals in the formula, we get CLI is equal to 979 divided by 527 into 100, and therefore the consumer price index number is 185.7685. Next question. Compute cost of living index number by family budget method. In the data, different commodities are named as A, B, C, D, E and F. The prices for the same for base year and current year are mentioned along with the weights. Solution. Base year price is denoted as P0. current year price is denoted as P1 and weights assigned to various commodities denoted by W. In this problem, we have been asked to compute the cost of living index number by family budget method. So the formula for family budget method is CLI is equal to summation WP divided by summation W. Here, we know the weight of each commodity. Hence, by totaling all the values of W, we get summation W as 145. To obtain summation WP, we will have to calculate WP for each commodity. So first let us compute P, that is the price relative. So according to the formula, P is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100, where P1 is the current year price and P0 is the base year price. Applying this formula for commodity A, that will be 170 divided by 130 into 100 give us the answer of P for commodity A as 130.7692. Hence, the value of WP for commodity A is 65 into 130.7692 will give us 8499.998. Same way, we shall apply the formula for all commodities and find the values. Now, we shall add up WP values of all the commodities and we get the total as 20,294.4425. When we substitute these totals in the formula, we get CLI is equal to 20,294.4425 divided by 145 and therefore the answer is 139.9617. Moving to the next problem, the table gives the information of the budgets of the middle class families in 2 different years. The items are classified as food, fuel, clothing, rent and miscellaneous. Along with this, we have 1995 expenditure and the base year 1995 price and current year 1996 prices are also given. Let's work out the solution for this problem. Here 1995 is the base year, 1996 is the current year. So let us denote the price of the base year as P0 and price of the current year by P1. And we know that expenditure is price into quantity. In consumer price index number, expenditure of the base year is taken as weights. So we denote expenditure as W, which is equal to P0 into Q0. In this question, we are asked to find the cost of living index number using family budget method. The formula used is CLI is equal to summation WP divided by summation W. Now, what we are supposed to do is, we need to find the values of summation WP and summation W. First, let us compute summation W. That is, by adding all the values of expenditure column, we get summation W as 100. Now let us calculate P, price relative, and then WP for each of the items. Price relative is given by the formula current year price divided by base year price into 100. So for the first item, that is food, we compute price relative, that will be 145 divided by 150 into 100 we get 96.6667. Hence, the value of WP for the first item is 35 into 96.6667. We'll get the answer of WP as 3383.3345. Likewise, price relative and WP for other items should be determined. And then when we add up all WP values, we get WP total as 9786.6685. The next step is to put these totals in the formula. CLI is equal to 9786.6685 divided by 100. Therefore, the cost of living index number is 97.8667. Next question. Compute the cost of living index using family budget method. In the table, items are classified into food, house rent, clothing, fuel and others. Prices in base year and current year are given along with base year quantities. Let's work out the solution. Here 2000 is the base year, 2004 is the current year. So we denote base year price by P0, base year quantity by Q0 and current year price by P1. The formula for cost of living index number by family budget method is CLI is equal to summation WP divided by summation W. So here P and W has to be computed. P is the price relative, which is calculated using the formula P1 by P0 into 100. Next we compute W. We know that W is equal to P0 into Q0, that is base year price into base year quantity. So we compute W by multiplying base year price and quantity for each of the items. Lastly, we compute WP for all the items. Now, as we have got W and WP value for all the items, then by adding the values, we get the total for W as 11,250 and the total for WP as 11,60,000. Next, we need to substitute these totals in the formula. We get CLI is equal to 11,60,000 divided by 11,250 and therefore the cost of living index number is 103.1111. Next question. Calculate cost of living index number from the following data. Let's solve the problem. We are given group index, which is denoted as I, and weights assigned to various items such as food, education, rent, fuel and clothing are mentioned. So when group index is given along with weights in a problem, consumer price index number or cost of living index number can be found by using family budget method. So the formula for computing cost of living index number by family budget method is CLI is equal to summation WI divided by summation W. So we see in the numerator we have summation WI. In order to get the value of summation WI, first let us compute WI for each of the items. So firstly, for food, that is the first item, we have weight as 3 and group index value is 110 So when we multiply 3 and 110, we get the answer of Wi as 330, and so on for all the items. Next step is to get the total of W and Wi. So when we sum up all the values of W column, we get summation W as 30, and when we add the values of Wi column, we get summation Wi as 3331. Finally, substituting the totals in the formula, we get CLI is equal to 3331 divided by 30, and therefore the cost of living index number is 111.0333.